That is quite a view, and this is quite a car. This is a Volkswagen Golf GTI. I have never seen a man suit a car more than that.
Nobody ever wanted a 5-door Golf GTI.
On today's episode of The Modversation, your host, Anthony Lindsay, will take you through my step-by-step process of side marker light complete upgrade. You've seen them, LED, little stripes, right? They, they replace these side markers, right? These factory ones. Mine were completely disintegrated. I came out from work on a break, and I've been wanting to replace these for a long time. I love the look of the black Golf GTI with the little red accent, right? But what I don't like was the white lights for the blinkers, the side markers, and the yellow factory bumper side parking lights. I think these are called side marker lights, and these are parking lights or bumper lights, bumper side marker lights. So, hope any of that helps you. But I didn't like the look. I mean, I liked the factory look of it, but I wanted a more modern, 4.5, Mark 4.5. So I started shopping, and this was even before these got disintegrated. I was going to replace this with this. And the only problem is that these have this amber bulb in there, right? Which makes them even more, stand out when the lights are on. But I thought it would be just as bright with this, right? So I had already bought these. So I came out from break, and this was just off. Like, I noticed it was the last heavy rain season, and I noticed one day these were just not going to last long. And I come out from break, and it's off. And so I decided it was time to do this. So I ordered on Amazon. I had them in my save for later. The LED sequential side marker, black smoke lenses with the LED stripes. So I ordered those, and I decided to, instead of this with this bulb, and it wasn't really working. Like, the black smoke was so smoky that it just didn't work. Like, it was just a little tiny, tiny starburst in the middle of this. And I liked how the black smoke blended in. That was a good part about it. But this amber light, even this LED, was not going to do it. So I went with LED stripes. So it would be like stripe, stripe, stripe. And with the black smoke here and the black smoke on here, I was really excited to see how it would look. So I purchased this one, and then I purchased this one, and this is how it went. It was easy. I mean, they make it easy. You get your, plastic, the plastic tools, those dashboard and interior little pry kits. Well, I had one of those, and it was the best thing for this. So I got all my materials ready, and went down there and had a great time. The first thing I did were the side markers, and this went well. I really liked, I wanted them to stripe to the back. So like like cartoon speed lines, right? So I wanted that look. So I installed them, and the black smoke on the side marker and the black smoke on the bumper. And as you can see, it was one of the best modifications I've ever done. it's been 6 months now. I mean, I did this when I was healing from those injuries that I told you about in, I believe it was the last video, smog test video. I was looking for anything I could do to keep my mind off of just being stuck, healing, and getting better. So this was perfect. It took my mind off of it, and the car looks amazing now. So I put all the links up. You know, these are the products that I actually bought from Amazon, and they worked like a charm. So I hope this video helps you. It really did me. I mean, this was a great option, but the LED amber just wasn't bright enough to make this one work, because all this is just like this one. There's no lights in it at all. It's just a housing for a tiny bulb. So I suggest getting this one, and you will definitely be happy with how it looks. And I'll show you right here. Enjoy. This has been episode 3 of The Modversation. Today's episode, sequential LED side marker, complete upgrade and replacement. Cheers. Thanks for watching. Next time I show you how using Drivetribe video as a resource and study aid, how I was able to fix a hit and run on my bumper where it scratched it a little bit in the metal, and it took a lot of paint off. So I will show you how I fix this and make it look like this in the next video. Thank you.